HydroDrop 101. Today we're going to show you how to hook up a 6-panel switch to a HydroDrop system. We'll show you the basic wiring diagram, how to hook it up from the input of the HydroDrop system to the output. We'll go through each step and the components used and that you will need to install into your lowrider vehicle. What we have here is 6 switches attached to a panel. The 6 switches go through the switch cord to the input of the HydroDrop system. There are 9 wires to the HydroDrop system that are being connected. 8 are for control signals, and 1 wire is 24 volts that is fed from your battery, goes back into the cord and back up to the front panel switches under your dash. That voltage, the 24 volt, is always constant. You always have 24 volts to your switches, so they always work regardless if the HydroDrop system is on. So from the front, the controller, the input, it'll go through the HydroDrop system and out, which would then control the valves and the solenoids. This is the high power current module. This controls the solenoids. You can control up to 4 pumps, so you have 4 outputs. The blue wire is going to the front pump. The front pump blue wire is ganged, connected together to each control terminal. The orange wire is going to the rear left pump. Same thing. The terminals are tied together. Brown wire goes to the right rear pump. Control signals are ganged or tied together. So this is a 3-pump system with 4 dumps. The dump side, you have 4 wires. 2 wires here, 2 wires there. Each for the front dump right, front dump left, rear dump left, rear dump right. They control the dumps. Also, from the battery, the plus 24 volts will come into the system through a 10-amp fuse and goes to a toggle switch, which serves as a kill switch, which will provide 24 volts to the input of the HydroDrop system. Ground for the HydroDrop system's pin 10 here. Travels through the cord, output here, and goes to the chassis ground somewhere in your system for ground. In addition, 24 volts is applied to the high current power module at this point. The same 24 volts you're tapping for your kill switch into your HydroDrop, you will tap that same point, provide power here constant. This is a general tabletop view of a HydroDrop system. You can see that there's very simple as far as wiring. You have 9 wires here, 10 wires here. Thank you for watching this section of HydroDrop 101.